It looks like HMD Global is continuing with the trend of making retro look cool as it launched its iconic Nokia 8110 phone at the Mobile World Congress 2018 in Barcelona, Spain. The phone, which features a curved slider design, became a part of pop culture when it first made an appearance in the iconic movie The Matrix. In its new avatar, Nokia 8110 comes with VoLTE calling feature, along with support for 4G. The phone runs on Smart Feature OS, and is powered by the Qualcomm 205 dual-core processor. The phone packs in 4GB storage, 512 MB LPDDR3 RAM, and 1500 mAh battery. It sports a 2.4-inch QVGA curved display, and comes with a 2MP rear camera. Like the new Nokia 3310, this dual SIM supporting device too, and has an inbuilt snake game. The Nokia 8110 will support Google Assistant, and run apps like Google Search, Google Maps, Facebook, and Twitter among others. In order to receive and send emails, there's support for Outlook and Gmail. The phone will be available in two color variants, traditional black, and banana yellows. The device will go on sale in May, and will bear a price tag of €79.